All right, good Thursday morning. Meteorologist Gracie Morris here with your morning update, and it's another soggy start to the day. Thankfully, we have seen some fairly quiet conditions around the metro since early this morning, just some light showers here and there, but most of our activity has been in our southwestern counties. But I want to start with a wide view of things. There's a strong system of storms back to our west, moving through the Midwest, the plains, and also in Texas this morning. That warranted severe thunderstorm warnings and even a tornado warning earlier this morning, as well as flash flood warnings. Heavy rainfall, training thunderstorms in southeast Louisiana as well. So big problems as far as flash flooding concerns go. And we, of course, have saturated soil after a wet, soggy week. We are not totally out of the woods for flash flooding concerns. It's a marginal low risk, but just keep that in mind if you do live in a low-lying area that is prone to flash flooding. Something to keep in mind today. Again, we're dry pretty much north of Interstate 20 with the exception of a few sprinkles. The metro looking quiet, but it is certainly warm, muggy, and cloudy this morning. Most of our consistent rainfall has been in southwest Mississippi, especially now some pockets of heavier rain in Wilkinson County, just north of Woodville, and also now in Port Gibson, some moderate rain falling. But in Copiah and Simpson County, mainly just light showers ongoing, some moderate rain falling along the Lincoln and Copiah County line as well. Very cloudy, gloomy, overlooking downtown Jackson from southwest Jackson, and temperatures are in the 70s right now. We are still seeing winds coming in from the south and east. That's going to keep our humidity levels pretty high throughout the day. Expect more of the same when it comes to the afternoon, expecting those pop-up thunderstorms and showers. More isolated in nature today, but still expecting those chances. Temperatures make it to the upper 70s in Yazoo City, 81 in Vicksburg and Port Gibson, 80 for your high in Brookhaven as well. Timing out that chance of rain, what's left of those showers should dissipate for the next few hours. By the mid-morning hours, we could be completely dry, seeing a little lull in activity, but by the afternoon with daytime heating, we'll see those storms beginning to spark off again. And some of those storms could put down heavy pockets of rain in a short amount of time. Even some gusty winds cannot be ruled out entirely. The chance for any widespread severe weather is certainly low, though. Looking ahead to your Friday afternoon, very similar conditions, starting off mainly quiet and dry. I think more dry tomorrow morning than where we are this morning, but those storms start to fire up in the afternoon, and those that do develop could produce some heavy rainfall at times. Saturday looks a bit drier, especially the first half of the day. We are going to see nice conditions, so if you have outside plans over the weekend, the better day altogether will be Sunday, but even Saturday morning we should get through seeing dry conditions. Some isolated storms certainly in the cards for the afternoon, but a 40% chance of rain and storms. Temperatures still warm, making it to the middle 80s with overnight lows in the middle 60s, so staying very warm. Notice we warm to the upper 80s though by Sunday, and even lesser chance of rain and storms, but I can't entirely rule out a few isolated thunderstorms with this air mass over us. We're very warm, we're muggy, we have some unstable air, and especially with daytime heating, we're taking more of that summertime weather pattern with those pop-up thunderstorms across the region. So looking at your 8-day forecast, we'll continue to see daily chances of rain and storms through the work week. Heading into the weekend, we warm things back up to the upper 80s on Sunday, and overall that chance of rain is still going down, but it's not zero for Saturday and Sunday. Now next week, a different story. We're expecting temperatures to be nearing 90 degrees by Monday afternoon, and we will stay dry for the most part. A chance of rain and storms are back in the forecast though by next Thursday.